My name is David with Commercial Dehydrator Systems, and we're going to show you the startup on the McKenzie dryer. To start, we want to make sure that there isn't any foreign objects inside the dryer unit itself. Then we'll close the door. And latch. You want to make sure that you don't get your fingers in here. Two more doors on the McKenzie. One of them is up here. It's the maintenance door. You can get at the fan and the burner unit. And you want to make sure that your guards are on. Down here is our door for the other end when you're taking the product out. And now that it's all secure, one of the things you want to check on is to make sure that you have enough gas pressure. If you look up there, you can see that the gauge, it should read between 2 and 5 pounds of pressure. And you'll see the lever on the valve right behind it, which is in the on position. You also want to check both of these yellow-handled levers, the top one being for the pilot and the bottom on the main. You want to make sure that those are open. Now we'll go over here and turn the unit itself on. And you can see from the displays that we have power. To explain the rest of the controls here, we have our two reset buttons. The first one in the front here is for the burner control, and the one in the back is for the high temp limit. The switch here is to turn the burner itself on and off, and the one on the bottom is for the main fan. If we go to the front here, you'll see the burner controller itself, the display for it. And down here we have two omrons. This one is for the temperature and this one is for the humidity. And then down here we have the Wattlow high temp limit, which as you can see we have set for 180. You'll also notice the LED here where it says alarm is on. And in order to reset that, we'll go over here to the switch on the side for the high temp limit reset and push that. Now you notice that it is turned off and we can start. So we'll start with our main fan switch, and you want to listen to it while it's coming on to make sure that there isn't any extra noises. If there is, you want to turn it directly off. Since this one is running terrific, we'll turn our burner on, and you'll notice that our burner control has moved from standby to purge hold. It is checking the high fire switch. Purge hold means that it is going to make sure that any gases that have built up inside are purged out. This arm right here is moving, and so is the one for the louver, clear up at the top. And as it reaches the end, the switch will come off, and our timer is going. Right now we're at 26 seconds out of 60. You notice our flame signal is currently at 0. Time is almost up, and now it's going to the other end. We're checking for the low fire switch, and again our actuators are moving on the burner and on the vent. It takes approximately 30 seconds to go from one end of the motor to the other. And now we're going to start the pilot, and you'll notice that we're at 5 volts here. And our timer will go to 10 seconds, and then we'll start the main, which there it goes. So now it's checking to make sure that we maintain our main flame at 5 volts, and then we'll release it to the controllers themselves. And there it did run. So now you can see that the temperature here is increasing, and our humidity, which is taken from the Vysla on the end of the unit, is going to be decreasing. We have our set points here of 150 for our heat and 20 for our humidity. You always want to make sure that your low high temp limit is set approximately 20 degrees or so above what your set point is to allow for any overrun while it's stabilizing. In front of you is the Vizsla. Our top number there is for the humidity, the bottom one for temperature. You can see that the humidity has already gone way down and the temperature is climbing. The instrument, which is directly below it, is a dual J-type thermocouple. One side goes to the on-rod controller for changing the burner valve, and the other side goes to the low high temp unit. As you can see, our temperature is up there. Our humidity is down. We've had successful turn on. And that concludes our presentation for the quick start on the McKenzie tray dryer. And if you have any questions, please contact us at this address or phone number. And of course, you can reach us on the web at www.dryer.com.